Yo. What is going on, my good peoples? My good peoples. What's up, Victors? What's up, Chef? Boy, Chef the house. What's up, Samuel? Samuel HD. What's up, boys and girls? What's happening, man? What's happening? What is happening? What's up, Tris? What's up, Seal? What's up, Brem? How you guys, man? How you all doing? How's everyone doing on this fine Friday evening? What's up, Amelia? Yo, King's Jet, appreciate the sub on YouTube, my guy. Let's go. What do I think about NFP tonight? Shit. Wow, shit. Wow, shit. NFP. We'll get into that in a second, actually. We will get into that in just a second. But how is everyone, man? What's everyone's thoughts right now? Did anybody take a trade today? Did anybody take a trade? Be honest. I don't trade on NFP days because, as you can see, markets are terrible. Look at this consolidation. Heavy consolidation. Heavy consolidation. What is this? What is this? What's going on with TikTok here, man? Am I meant to? All right. Don't ask, buy or sell. What do I think about NFP? Wow. What did I just do? What do I think about NFP? That is a good question. To be honest with you, I haven't even thought about it too much. Oh, I see. Jeez, this is huge. Can I not shorten this? Yeah. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah. All right. All right. I think we're good. I think we're good to go. All right. So, how's everyone doing? We have NFP coming up in about an hour, like 50 minutes or so. All right. Streamlabs is spamming in the YouTube chat, of course. But we will have a look at NFP in a second from a price action point of view, first of all, as we always do. Price action point of view. Why is it showing all these people that have joined? I don't want to see everyone who joins, man. Why is it showing it like this? Can you guys see this? What's up, Sega? Okay, it's stopped now. It's stopped now that someone's commented. All right. I see. You waved. Oh, what? I didn't do that. Yeah, I'm good. So let me just shut my door. So NFP. We also have, of course, unemployment as well, unemployment rate. So it's going to be interesting. We're going to sit and watch. Wait, you guys can hear me, yeah? Could you guys hear me? Was I muted or was Could you hear me? Oh, you could hear me. Never mind. So we're going to do some analysis. We're going to do some price action analysis. And we're going to look at previous data. We're going to look at previous NFP. We're going to see what the outcome was based solely from a price action point of view, because I'm a price action trader and nobody knows specifically the numbers, the data that is going to be coming out on NFP tonight, right? Unless you're Powell or somebody who works, you know, for the Federal Reserve or something, but we don't. The average Joe, me, you, most people here don't know what the numbers are going to be on NFP tonight. All right, so we're going to just strictly look from a price action point of view. Okay. Today is a boring day. Yeah, I don't trade today. I don't trade on NFP days. All right. I don't trade gold on NFP days, I should say. I don't trade gold on NFP days. But I need to write what the indicator is called, because I get like 200 questions every stream asking what it is. That's what I was meant to do. CPAC V5 or Forex. I should just call it with the Forex with Cody. I'm just gonna wait till everyone gets in here, and then we're gonna get it started. All right, just bear with me. Need 2 more minutes. We'll wait for everyone to get in. We'll wait. The stream's only been going 12 minutes, so we'll wait for everyone to get in here, and then we'll get it cracking. I don't know why TikTok is around. All right. So hopefully I can see you guys' comments on TikTok, because I'm seeing a load of stuff right now that I never used to see. Every person that joins, it's showing them. Yo, Noah, that's sad. No, Sada. Appreciate the follow. Let's go. But yeah. Anyway, you can see gold is starting to sell off a little bit here at the moment. Doesn't really mean much, because of course we had gold sold off here as well. So we see a nice sell up here, some volume coming in, price tapped in here, and then just rebounded again. So until we break either this area to the upside, right at the moment, like this area here or this area down here, nothing's really going to be happening with gold in my opinion. But we will have a look in a second at some price action approach to NFP right here, right? Which we have also done before. Right? We've done this previously for NFPs with a specific time frame that we look at, right? So we get a bias from the 4-hour, the 12-hour, and then we apply it to the direction on where we think NFP can go, right? For example, okay, let's just start from the top, okay? If we look at previous NFPs, would be start of August over here, Friday right here, second, should be this right here, NFP, okay? NFP. NFP happened right here. So the first thing we look at, does fundamentals always follow with the technicals are saying? Not always, Blake, but from my experience, more often than not. What time is news? News is in about 45 minutes. Peace and love. I don't know why this is really annoying me that I'm seeing all of this shit. I don't need to see this, man. I don't need to see it. Like, how do I do viewers? I guess that's it right there. I'll turn that on, it's going to start coming up again, isn't it? But I've always had this on board, so why is it? I don't know. Anyway, so if we take a look at previous NFP, right? It was, let me make sure TikTok can see. It was right here, this 12-hour candle right here. I'm looking at the 12-hour time frame, okay? 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame is important because you get two 12-hour candles in a day. The first 12-hour candle covers the Asian and kind of mid-London session, and then the second 12-hour candle covers the mid-London, New York, pre-New York, and New York Open then for the rest of the day. And from my experience, more often than not, how the first 12-hour candle of the day closes has a very good chance and gives us a good bias for where the second 12-hour candle can potentially continue to create that daily candle, right? So let me turn on sessions. You can see here the first 12-hour candle on this day closed bullish, right here. The first 12-hour candle, this is the Asian session, London session 12-hour candle, and then this is kind of the mid London, pre-New York, New York session 12-hour candle, right? And you can see that the first 12-hour candle of the day here closed bullish, and then we had NFP unemployment in here, and price did actually continue bullish there from the open, about 156 pips. But I'm guessing when NFP came out, it just dropped. Yeah, NFP came out. Oh no, NFP did. Yeah, NFP did give us. NFP would have given us that bullish move there based on the previous 12-hour candle, because this is the NFP candle right here. You can see the NFP came out and it actually aligned and went straight bullish, aligning with the previous 12-hour bullish closure, right? So the previous 12-hour candle closed bullish, NFP dropped, and you can actually see that price was pushing bearish here. But that previous 12-hour candle, the first 12-hour candle of the day, was bullish. NFP opened up, and as soon as it dropped, boom, right here, shot up. Actually, I'm guessing 30-minute time frame. It actually shot up, yeah, from open right here. NFP dropped. It shot up 211 to 212 pips, right? So that was aligning with the previous 12-hour candle. Right, so technicals there aligning with the fundamentals beautifully just by using the 12-hour time frame. Right? If we go to then the previous one, Previous one would have been July at the start. The first Friday would have been here. Okay. And as we can see again, this is our NFP candle, right? The NFP 12-hour candle. And look at the previous 12-hour candle right there. Previous 12-hour candle was bullish. So the first 12-hour candle of the day was bullish, and then NFP opened up and continued bullish. And you had a nice move there, 240 or so pips, right? Go down to the 30-minute time frame. Let's have a deeper look at that. So it opened up right here. So this was where NFP dropped. You had a huge spike down, massive spike down, and then price flipped bullish and then started breaking those previous 12-hour highs in there, in here, and continue bullish, right? So again, the fundamentals aligning with the technicals, okay? The continuation bullish, the continuation to the upside, just based on the previous 12-hour candle, okay? Take a look at the previous one to that, which would have been June, start of June here, would have been here. And again, here we go again. We have the first 12-hour candle of the day right here. And then we have the NFP 12-hour candle, right? First 12-hour candle closes bearish. NFP 12-hour candle continues bearish. 600 or so pips. Do you guys see what I'm trying to show you right here? You basically almost have a bit of a cheat code. As I said, this doesn't work out every single time, right? But for the most part, you're going to get something from this, right? So NFP drops here. Okay, so NFP drops here. So pre-NFP price actually does already break that 12-hour low, right? But then we start to get the pullback. Then you get the New York session open, the first 30-minute candle of New York session open. But then as soon as NFP opens up right here, at 30 minutes past, half past, price just drops almost 200 pips instantly. And then you get the drive down for the rest of the day. But it's already give you the bias. The previous 12-hour candle there already gave you the bias of where NFP is heading. Right? 12-hour candle has already give you the direction, already give you the bias. Now let's see if we can find an example where it doesn't play out, because like I said, this isn't 100%, obviously. Nothing is ever 100%. All right. So this candle does actually, so here's NFP, right? This is the NFP day, the Friday right here. These two 12-hour candles, right? We have a bearish one and then a bullish closure. So we have the first 12-hour candle of the day, closes bearish. The second 12-hour candle does actually continue bearish for about 240 pips. So let's see how it continues bearish. Whether it continues bearish before NFP or whether it continues during NFP and then flips back bullish, or if we get a spike down and then a spike back up. Let's have a look. Because there's so many different ways NFP can play out. All right, so yeah, so pre-NFP, so you wouldn't be obviously trying to trade any of this, right? Any of this, but you can see that pre-NFP we come in and we break the 12-hour low. NFP drops, so we get that NFP spike right here. It has no bottom wick, just spikes straight up. But then as it's coming down here and it's re-breaking those lows down in here, you can see that it does actually continue bearish, aligning with the previous 12-hour bias. So you don't get the initial spike, as NFP drops, like we did in the other examples, but price doesn't spike down at all, right? It just spikes straight up, and then after that we come back down, and once we start breaking those lows again, price drops there for 173 pips, right? So there's potential in there again underneath these areas, aligning with the previous 12-hour bearish candle for price to potentially continue bearish after that, right? And it's your job to go down in there, look for your entries. But you have your NFP bias, right? The 12-hour candle is giving you potentially your NFP bias, where NFP could be heading, right? A very good kind of, you know, like I said, bias direction potentially, and where NFP potentially could be going. I just said potentially twice there, but just, you know, I don't recommend trading these. I don't recommend trading these events, of course. I don't trade them, but it's just food for thought, right? It's just something for us to think about coming into NFP today. Now here's an example. Here's an example. You don't break the 12-hour low, so that's good. What you really want when you're looking at this is you want the previous 12-hour lows or highs to be broken, right, in order for it to be a valid entry. But let's have a look over here. The 9, we've got to keep flipping between the time frames like this, but let's have a look. So here, NFP, so we had a bearish 12-hour candle. NFP drops. It does actually spike down as initially as NFP drops right here. Price opens up and spikes down 150 pips. So you do actually get that bearish move, which was aligning with the previous 12-hour bearish candle. You do get a bearish move there of about 150 pips. So it's still a decent move, right? Price then rejects and then flips bullish. But initially, you get that beautiful bearish spike, like I said, aligning there with the 12-hour candle. The previous bearish 12-hour candle. Am I trading it? No, I won't be trading it. This is just educational purposes only. We're just trying to gather information. We're trying to see what could potentially be happening here today with NFP. I could just do some like demo, some paper trading maybe. What do you guys think? Should we try it out, or should we try it out with a demo trade? Yeah, we'll paper trade it. We'll have some fun and paper trade, but please, 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 please do not copy this with your real account, with your real money, okay? This is NFP. It's very dangerous, very risky. This is just for a bit of fun. Just doing some back testing. I'm just giving you guys some information on how I like to look at NFP and how I like to look at the charts, right? Just from simply a price action technical analysis point of view, right? Not necessarily any fundamentals. But as you can see, for the most part, the fundamentals align, or the technicals align there eventually with the fundamentals. So, you know, this is good information. It's something always to have there in your locker, you know, for days like this. And obviously backtest it with other news events as well, like we always do. Another very good time frame for it is the 4-hour as well, right? The 4-hour also gives a good bias. I'm going full margin today. Fuck. You going for a south NFP? I haven't even looked at today's 12-hour candle yet. What's today's 12-hour candle? What bias? We're just having a quick look now, Bish. We're having a quick look at the moment. We're just checking out some NFP, previous NFP examples. And we're using the 12-hour time frame here for a potential bias and direction where NFP could be heading. Strictly technical. Strictly technical, that's it. There's a couple good examples here, of course. Like I said, NFP, so NFPs here. Again, another great example, right? Another great example. Here is the NFP candle, a bullish candle, right? And the previous 12-hour candle closed bullish. So yet again, the previous 12-hour candle here has give you your bias, your direction for NFP, right? Previous 12 is bearish. Previous 12 is bullish. NFP 12-hour candle continues bullish there once it breaks the highs for 240 pips. RJ, we're just finding our bias at the moment. Today's the day, my man. Go big or go home. What's up, Joe? Appreciate the follow on TikTok, man. What's up, Jazzbeer? What's up, Jazzbeer? So again, let's go down to the 30-minute time frame and let's break it down. I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame because NFP comes out at obviously 30 minutes past 10:30. So I want to see the exact NFP candle here. So here's the NFP 30-minute candle. Okay, huge spike up. As you can see, as soon as it dropped, you have a spike down. And then once you start breaking those 12-hour highs there, which they're the 12-hour highs in here. Once you start breaking those 12-hour highs, yeah, 140 or so pips, and then beyond 240 pips. But initially, as soon as NFP opens, you get that spike down. But then from the open, it drives up to, over 200 pips there. But you can see straight away, again, the NFP fundamentals aligning with the technicals on gold, right? Very simple. So previous 12-hour bullish, NFP candle continue bullish. Now I want to look also at another example of not just NFP, but also another high impact news event, which is right here on the US dollar, inflation, right? Another great example here. Here is the 12-hour candle in which inflation news dropped, right, on USD. And look at the previous 12-hour candle, the first 12-hour candle of the day. Like I said, the Asian session, London open, mid-London, 12-hour candle. This is your first 12-hour candle of the day. These two 12-hour candles make up the daily candle. So they're very important, especially the first one. It can give you a great idea and bias for the rest of the day for that New York session, then going into that second 12-hour candle. So the first 12-hour candle here closes bearish. And the second 12-hour candle continues bearish, in which inflation news drops, right? And you get, what'd you get? 230 pips. 230 pip move right there. 230 pip move. Yo, Jay has dropped the 500 diamonds. Guess what, Jay? You're the first person to go into the draw. So you could be the only person, because I'm going to be doing the draw by the end of tonight. So you could be the first person to go into the draw to win the 1 week free pass to the V5 indicator. Let's have a look. Wheel of names. So what that is, guys, if you're in TikTok, if you drop 500 diamonds, you go into the draw to win V5 indicator for a week. If you're in YouTube, you can just drop the drop a member, whatever it is, subscription, member subscription. I don't know. Just a little something fun, you know, for you guys. Do you know, a couple dollars, few dollars, and you could potentially win a week's pass to the V5. So your name's going in, Jay Davenport. Jay Davenport. Jay Davin. There we go. You're in. And that's going to be drawn at the end of today's stream because it's Friday. So you're the only person in there right now, Jay. So you got 100% chance of winning a week's pass to the V5. There we go. I'll leave that over there. Oh, it already spun for some reason. No, not again. Stop. It keeps spinning. God. All right. So anyway, yeah, this is the inflation, USD inflation, right here, USD inflation, 12-hour candle. The first one closed bearish, the second one continued bearish. Now let's have a look at the 30-minute time frame, right? Let's have a look at the 30-minute time frame and see what happens here once inflation drops. So, pre-inflation news, you can see gold already breaking the 12-hour lows here. And then news comes out, you get a huge spike up and then a huge spike down. So, bit of a tricky one there on how really you could have, potentially got a piece of this. Maybe, I mean, you could probably, yeah, but then you'd probably get slipped, probably get high spread. You won't be able to execute. Yeah, it's a bit difficult, but yeah, overall it continues from when when inflation drops, it continues bearish, 170 pips. Let you in? What do you mean, Alcar? Which way you reckon it's gonna go? So that brings me to this, right? That brings me to, is that 2? Where is that? Oh, it's down here. Never mind. So that brings me to this today's 12-hour candle. Katie, what's up, Katie? Katie said in the YouTube chat, does the size or look of the 12-hour candle impact the thought process? That previous 12 doesn't have a lot of volume compared to the previous ones. Are you talking about today's, Katie, or are you talking about that one that we just saw on inflation? So today's, as you can see, is where I have this level, 2521900. The current daily, today's current 12-hour candle, first 12-hour candle of the day has closed bullish, right? So let's see today at some point if gold here during NFP in the next 23 minutes continues bullish past these 12-hour highs and gives us a little something. Let's see if it does. Today's the volume or the look of it doesn't necessarily impact my decision or thought process. No, it's just the color of it. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? That's what's giving you your direction. That's what's giving you your bias, is the color of it. Full margin. Full margin. Well, today's 12-hour candle is bullish, right? I'm not saying anything else, right? I'm not trading. I don't trade NFP. It's not wise to do so. It's very risky, very dangerous. There is a very, 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 very high possibility you're gonna blow your money or your account or whatever it is, right? This is just for, we're all traders here, right? We all like looking at the charts. We all like to try and figure out how we can read it a little bit better, okay? So you do what you want with this unlock your South African blood full margin. You do what you want with this information, but again, even if we take away the fact that it is NFP today, right? I just want to show you I just want you guys to look at the 12-hour time frame right here. Okay, this is the 12-hour time frame. Okay, let me just clear it off for a second. And of course, at the moment, gold is it's in a consolidation, right? This is consolidating heavily, right? There's no doubt about that. On the daily time frame, the 12-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame, this is all consolidation here on gold, right? But for the most part, what I want you to look at here on gold on the 12-hour time frame is the first 12-hour candle of the day, and what color and in what direction does it close, right? The first 12-hour candle of the day here that you can see on my chart is highlighted with the purple background, and the green is the second 12-hour candle of the day. So it resets, of course. You get two 12-hour candles in a day. So the other thing is, does it break, if it closed bullish, does it break the previous 12-hour high, right? In this case over here, we can see that it did. And it broke the previous 12-hour high by 75 pips, right? 75 pips. So there's a potential move in there for you to get 75 pips worth in here, right? If you add this to your strategy and you now put, implement this into your trading plan and say, okay, I have my strategy, and potentially, right, the thing I struggle with though is in which direction is the market heading today, right? And now this is a very good tool for you to start using and implement into your strategy, which can then give you a bias for the day and give you a direction so that you can only then start to take your setups within the direction of the first 12-hour candle, right? So straight away, as soon as this first 12-hour candle of the day closes, straight away, boom, I can start looking for buys in here. Now there's a good chance the second 12-hour candle here is going to continue bullish, which it does, like I said, over 100 pips. From the highs, it continued 75 pips. From the open, it continued 115 or so pips, right? Can we see the 12? Yeah, this is the 12-hour. This is 12-hour time frame right here, Sergi. Angelo, Joel, appreciate the follows. Ashton, appreciate the follows on TikTok. But each day when you're looking at it, right, you can, like I said, nothing is ever always exactly perfect. But for the most part, you can look to capture some of these moves in here. This is a 68 pip move. This is a 75 pip move. This is a 96 pip move. This is a 184 pip move. This is a 285 pip move. This is 132 pip move. This is 86 pip move, right? All these candles, all you're doing, right? Again, here, the first 12-hour candle of the day closed bullish, and the second 12-hour candle of the day continued bullish for 86 pips. The first 12-hour candle of the day closed bearish. The second 12-hour candle of the day continued bearish for 132 pips. The first 12-hour candle of the day closed bearish. The second 12-hour candle of the day continued bearish for 285 pips. The first 12-hour candle of the day closed bullish. The second 12-hour candle of the day continued bullish for 184 pips, right? Now you're going to get days like this where you have the first 12-hour candle of the day closed bullish. The second one continued bullish for about 10, 11 pips and then reversed, right? You're going to have days like this. Then you have this day where the first 12-hour candle of the day closed bearish. The second one continued bearish for 96 pips, right? The first one closed bullish. Second one continued bullish for 75 pips. And you'll see this pattern repeat over and over and over and over again, right? The first one closed bullish. Second one continued bullish for 68 pips, right? Same thing here. Here's news, right? Another news 12-hour candle right here. The first 12-hour candle of the day here closed bullish. And here we had red folder news, building permits, Michigan consumer sentiment prelims. Like I said, first 12-hour candle closed bullish. Second 12-hour candle continued bullish, 452 pips. Right? First one bullish. Second one continue bullish at some point for 112 pips. Here again, we have one that's going to be a potential, doesn't play out that way, right? We have a first 12-hour candle that closed bullish. The second one continued bullish for about 13, 14 pips and then reversed. And again, this was actually inflation, right? So for this, this instance right here, it actually didn't play out, right? So the news, let's go first of all down onto the 30-minute time frame and have a look. So look at the 30-minute. And let's see what the 30-minute is saying. Because you may have had a spike up as news dropped before it. Yeah, he did. So this is the the inflation candle right here. Inflation candle. This is where it opens. This is where news drops right here. And it did actually spike up momentarily for 83, 84 pips before then reversing and flipping bearish. So again, there was a move in there, right? 85 pips in there to potentially look at before it flipped bearish. But obviously these things during news happen very quickly. It's you got to be very on the ball to be kind of doing this. But you could do this all day. Literally, you can do this all day here, right? First 12-hour candle closed bullish. The second one continued bullish for 290 pips. Here, the first one closed bearish, but the second one just continued bullish. It didn't break the lows, so there would be no trade in there, right? The first one here closed bullish. Second one continued bullish for 270 pips, basically. Right? First one closed bullish. Second one continued bullish for 94 pips. You just go all day. The first one closed bearish. First 12-hour candle closed bearish. The second 12-hour candle continues bearish for 490 pips. And this was during news again. ISM services PMI. So again, for news, you're getting your direction and your bias. Yeah? Very simple. Bearish, continue bullish, continue bullish, continue. First one closed bullish. Second one continue bullish by 260 pips. First one closed bullish. The second one continue bullish for 200 pips. Right? This you can just go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Right? So again, that brings us back today. We got what, about 13 minutes until NFP drops. We have the first 12-hour candle closing bullish. Right? So there is a good possibility from everything that I've just shown you, how we just went and looked back at like 10, 15, 20 examples of the 12-hour time frame and the first 12-hour candle and the second 12-hour candle, and we have a bullish 12-hour candle for today. So there is a possibility that during news at some point, or during this 12-hour candle, currently at some point today, we can see a spike up and a potential break of these highs, these 12-hour highs, to continue bullish, right? So that is my thoughts. That is my thoughts, guys. What currency pair? This is a commodity. This is XAUUSD gold. Husni, appreciate the follow. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little breakdown on the 12-hour time frame. this is my approach. That's my approach to price action and fundamentals during high impact news, right? Because again, nobody knows the numbers apart from the people in the know, right? Nobody knows. I don't know, you don't know. Average Joe doesn't know what these numbers are going to be. We can speculate, we can guess, we can, you know, try and come to some kind of conclusion based on previous data, based on forecasted data, and all sorts. But for the most part, nobody actually knows until the data comes out. Notifications. What pair is this? This is gold, XAUUSD. So we just have to wait, and that's it. But what we can do, which isn't just random, right? It's something that we can take control of, which is technical analysis, price action, right? And we can understand as much as we can through price action, which, as you can see, which I've just showed you and give examples on, can actually lead to understanding fundamental, right? Because more often than not, the price action, the technical side, will show you how it's aligning with the fundamental side. You just have to pay attention to the smaller details, the finer details on certain candle closures from certain time frames, from the daily, the weekly. Understand the overall direction in the market for the day, for the week, and that's going to give you the kind of an idea on where NFP or other news events such as inflation, interest rates, could also be heading, right? Just based on simple price action. What I want to do actually, before we got about 9 minutes here, what I want to do is let's take a look at what we got in here. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? Give me 1 second. Never mind. Never mind. It's not as easy to explain in such little time. All right, so there we can see that gold has spiked out of the previous 12-hour lows now, right? So that's to the downside because these are the lows. It is bullish. It's spiked out of those 12-hour lows, potentially, grabbing liquidity. We could see price spike down and then spike up at NFP. Are we in any trades? Not on gold, no. What pair we traded? This is gold. Gold XAUUSD. Guys, if anyone wants to jump in the V5 indicator for 1 week, all you gotta do is on TikTok, diamonds, you can see it in the chat, or on YouTube, just become a member and you go into, there's one person in there right now, one person, so you have very good odds, right? There's no winner yet. You have very good odds of getting a weekly V5 indicator subscription. Jay's gonna hate me for saying that, but we're gonna give it away today. So if you want to join, something, you know, a little fun. You can see on Jordan, you can see it. I don't know, it says it's somewhere on the TikTok. I'm not sure. I don't watch TikTok live, so I'm not sure where it says it, but it's the diamonds. You got to get the DJ glasses diamonds. $2, I think it is. Just a little something fun on a Friday. Little something fun. DJ Nelsie, appreciate the follow. But yeah, just after, we'll probably do the draw like at the end of the stream, just after NFP. So about 4 minutes. 4 minito. All right. There we go. We're getting that rejection from you're gonna start seeing it bounce around a little bit in here now. Sure. Also, this week has been fire for the V5 indicator buys. Some beautiful buys right here. 45 pips. Some more buys right here. 91 pips. I think this is the one that I caught. Yeah, it was this one. There was some beautiful moves on the 15 as well, I believe. Sell there. 45, 46 pips. This 15-minute sell buy signal as well went crazy. There was a 15 today, but I don't trade NFP. This is why. This is why I recommend not trading NFP. You get a bit of a bullish move coming in, but not much. Starting to see that push up right now. You're starting to see that push up right now. All right, guys. Paper trading, demo trading, NFP for some fun, okay? Do not copy any of this. This is for fun, for educational purposes only. I don't know about units. What's units? How many units? $550 units, is that a lot? No, that's not a lot, is it? I have no idea. Ready? This is demo, guys. Demo. We're having some fun, all right? It's just a bit of fun for NFP. That's it. Okay. Spike down. Okay, we spiked out the lows. Okay. Think yet? Bit of a slow reaction, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. That wasn't. It's not the kind of NFP reaction we usually get, is it? This would be ultimate spreads. There we go. Hello? Hello? Anybody? Anybody? See, this is the problem. It's just froze. It's frozen. It's frozen. We were supposed to be in buys here, but it's frozen. There we go, guys. The 12-hour playing out again. I don't know what's happening here. The paper trading account has frozen. Okay. I have no idea what's happening. We were supposed to be in buys. We would have seen about 56 pips profit. Oh, it's finally registered. Tell you what we're going to do now. Oh my god, this is so slow. It's so slow. It's not doing. Oh. Jesus, it's all very slow. All very slow. This is why I can't use TradingView to... This is why I can't use TradingView to trade. Look at this. Feel it. Yeah, this is awful. Can I... Not let me do anything. Is it TradingView? Yeah, it's just a demo paper trading account. That's it. Just a paper trading account. There you go. Oh, so it lets me close it. But yeah, that was the 12-hour right there. You would have got some. You would have got about 65 pips so far. 65 pips so far. You sold? Ah, buddy, I told you not to sell. 12-hour bias, buddy. 12-hour bias gave us the direction for NFP again. What's the news? Impact going to be up? You can see the impact right now, Bish. The impact is up. Bullish. We've already seen the move. Look, from when NFP dropped and price opened, it's already gone up 120 pips. That was a bit of fun, guys. That's it. That was just a paper trading account. That wasn't a real account, okay? That was just a bit of fun. Is it gonna drop? I don't know that, bish. I don't know that. If I knew that, I'd be a billionaire. I say this every stream. If I knew that, I'd be a billionaire, pal. We take calculated guesses, all right? We take calculated guesses. Look at that. 65 pips. Beautiful. What was that entry? I did like a few pips above, I think. Like 8 or so pips above. You see, the problem with that though is, you know, where are you going to put your stop? Are you going to put your stop all the way down here? Are you going to have 150 pips stop? Really? Is that good risk management? Is that a risk you want to take? Do you want to have 150 pip stop? Monthly high still intact? Yeah. Yeah. Educated wishes. How much did I make? $15,000. Did you not see it? Did you not see all the profit? You got 80 pips to the upside. Very nice, buddy. Very nice. Yeah, let's have a look at the monthly. Good point, Katie. Previous monthly is here. Can we break previous monthly high and create all-time highs again? Could we do it? What's gonna be? It's already been. It's already been, Nestaz. You got here late, brother. You missed it. You missed it all. You missed the whole thing, buddy. What's that? 74 pips. The data is positive. Yeah. Wow. Average hourly earnings is the only one that's positive, which is basically like NFP is going to overpower that. NFP was negative. That's why you're seeing gold drive so much right now. That's the main cat. That's the one that drives price, you know, mainly during these events. Yeah, Chemo, it happens. Well, we have to be aware of these things. That's why you got to check Forex Factory every day. Or if you use TradingView, make sure, I don't know, you might have it on, you might not, but go into your chart settings, go to events, and just put economic events here on the chart. And if you want, just put only future events, so that you don't have loads of noise on the chart. You just have the only current events coming up. And that's gonna, every day while you're looking at TradingView, you're gonna be able to see it. So it's gonna remind you of these things. But yeah, I guess The winner of the 1 week V5 pass is Jay. How long have I got here? I've probably got about another 5-10 minutes left of the stream. There's very good odds right now. It's like the lottery. You'll never find better odds than this to get a chance to have a look at V5. So if you want a week past the V5 for a couple of dollars, $2. I actually don't know how much. How much is 500 diamonds on TikTok? You have no idea. I don't think it's that much. $5? Oh, that's more than I thought. I just wanted to do like a couple dollars that people could join in with and just have a bit of fun. $15? What? 15 what? Wait, 15? What? Oh, is that Australian? Are prices in Australian or are they in US? Oh, that's why. Maybe prices are in US or something, so I don't know, I don't get it. I did not think it was that much. I can't even go have a look at lives either because just Google it. $500 coins or 500 diamonds? Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Yeah, appreciate the follows on TikTok, guys, man. You guys are going crazy. But yeah, that's the CPAC addition to NFP. Price action approach to NFP. You don't have to know fundamentals. You don't have to be no crazy fundamental analysis, smart, you know, economic person, right? You just have to know price action. That's it. That's what you have to do, man. Why is it saying it's like a couple of dollars? See, when I googled it before, it said it was a couple of dollars. Who just lost? There was one guy who was who took Xauusd in the chat. He said took Xauusd and blew his account or something. What did he say? I sold and blown my account. We was talking about the buys the whole time, man. Bam, bam, bam. Buy bias. The buy bias. What do I trade Forex with? What do you mean? What do you mean, broski? Talking about which broker or which platform I use? What are you talking about, man? All right, you know what? There's only Jay on the list. Congratulations to Jay. Do you still want me to spin it? Still want me to spin the wheel, Jay, or what? The indicator is not available. What do you mean, Jimmy? Spin? There's one name and we're spinning. Who's it gonna be? Oh, it didn't even land on you, man. Oh, you still won though. Did you hold? Nah, brother. You got 74 pips out of that, man. There's no holding. I'll hold at break even if you want. I don't know. Is that a win though? Because it didn't land on your name. It's only a win if it can land on your name in the next 2 spins. I'm only joking. Oh, all right. Jay wins. I'll be doing this. I'll be doing one of these every Friday. Okay, every Friday stream. If you guys want the chance to win a week pass for the V5, 1 week pass, then what you gotta do is sub on, like, become a member on YouTube or whatever it is, or drop some diamonds on TikTok. To be honest, Jay, what you could really do, if nobody else does it, you could just, you know, $15 a week instead of the 62 that the membership currently is, and you got your weekly pass to V5. That's the glitch right there. You got the glitch. It's Elon Musk in the chat, man. What's up, Elon? Let me do that for you right now. Okay, before I forget. So people, I have to keep repeating it right there in the chat. Sorry, not in the chat, on the screen. But you see how these 12-hour candles are very powerful, yeah? Because not only did it continue bullish, aligning with the 12-hour bias, it spiked out of the 12-hour lows first, grabbed that liquidity under here for NFP, liquidity grab, boom, and then started driving up, breaking the previous highs, giving you that move up. So you can see it, right? We can all see it loud and clear. I just have to quickly make a free weekly sub. Jay, message me, DM me on Instagram. also DM you. You can DM me if you want, Elon Musk. Just a way for the streams to be a bit more interactive, like, you know, a bit of fun. You know, we can spin the wheel, a couple dollars. It helps push the streams out as well, you know. What we're here for, you know. That's what we're here for, man. All right. Let me just only put one available slot for that, so you don't send this link around to everybody and everybody gets free weekly access. Not that you would do that, Jay, but you know, you never know. You never know. You never know. Papa Metal, appreciate the follow, man. On Tickety Talk. New all-time high? Yeah, potentially. New all-time high isn't too far away. We could definitely hit this tonight. Dun, da, 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 da. Sincerely, MA, appreciate the follow. My dog can't catch, appreciate the follow. Good names here, guys, good names. But yeah, DM me on IG. I'll send you the link. Congratulations, Jay. The 1 week Ass to V5. Hope you enjoy it. And I recommend not trading for the rest of today. Late in the session, chill out. You know what I mean? Chill out, chill out, chill out. Someone has requested to join as a guest. Who's requesting to join as a guest on my TikTok? Come on, dog. All right, guys. I'm gonna head out, man. Great stream. We broke down NFP on gold. We got the NFP buy bias. Perfect. Based on the 12-hour time frame. And we sat back. I did enter a paper trade for some fun. But because of, I don't know, the delay and NFP and the servers on TradingView, whatever, were freezing and it just kind of messed up. But yeah. W stream, man. Good stream. Hope you guys learned a lot today. Put a W in the chat. Put W in the chat or a yes in the chat if you found today's stream beneficial, educational. You've taken something away from today's stream. You've taken something away from today's stream. You learned something. Mags, appreciate the follow. Ayan, appreciate the follow. Ghost, 5 shot. Let's go, guys. Appreciate you guys, man. Nobody learned anything from today's stream. Not a single person. You know what? I ain't streaming again. I ain't streaming again. What's the point? You know what I mean? What's the point if nobody knows it? No giveaways. No NFP streams, you know. Giving away all this knowledge up in here, you know. Nobody cares. Yeah. I'll see you guys on Monday. What's up, crypto man? You're just in time, brother. I was just about to press the end stream button. What's up, Bernice? Bernice, how are you? Haven't seen you in a while. Good info. Appreciate you. You did learn something. Beautiful. You missed a classic Cody CPA-C clinic today. Laser. Classic. How was NFP? NFP was beautiful. We analyzed NFP today. And we analyzed that NFP can be potential buys for today, and it played out quite nicely, actually. Rob Henry, appreciate the follow. How many likes did we get? 18 likes. Thanks, Cody Legend. Let's go. Let's go, Bish. What's up, Nick? You learned? W? Alright, there we go. That makes me feel better about myself. Oh, God. But yeah, guys. People who are... W, appreciate you. Appreciate you, Ins. People who have access to V5, if you're in here, if you're in the academy, if you got the indicator, you got second trading window opening in about 3 minutes. I would let if you're going to trade, I would let it settle a bit here, right? You're not going to get any signals on the 30-minute just yet anyway. The 15, you're not going to get any signals for a while anyway, but I would just let it chill for a little bit. Let it chill for a little bit. To be honest, I wouldn't even stream for the, I wouldn't even trade for the rest of the day. I'd come back Monday. Shan Forex, appreciate the follow, man. But yeah, Jay won the free week access to V5 for dropping the 500 diamonds. Caught some we caught some good paper trading we caught some good paper trading NFP buys. I got another one. Hey, look in the TikTok chat right now. You see that? You blocked Forex with Cody. I got another motherfucker. What they do, these motherfuckers is they come in, they block me, and then when I'm streaming, they unblock me. They come into the chat. They start messaging people in the TikTok chat because they know I won't be checking them if I'm streaming, right? Because I'm speaking to you guys. But I got another one. Every time I stream, a new one pops up. They don't think I'm gonna be able to see them because I'm streaming. But I got your number, man. Got you motherfuckers, man. Anyway, I will be live on... Wait, why is... Okay, that was a little bit delayed. Why was that so delayed? The candle opened up before it was actually think NFP is like just fucking with the TradingView servers right now. But yeah, there's the second trading window. Beautiful. Anyway, yeah, good stream. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you for all the love. Thanks again, like usual. You were brilliant. Let's go, Jack. I appreciate you, bro. My boy Jack. My boy Jack in the YouTube chat. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Don't over risk. Don't over leverage for the rest of today, for the rest of the week. Take it easy. NFP, right? A lot of things you can get very messy. Just leave it. Come back Monday, right? Don't be going out getting, you know, smashed. Well, you can't do that. For your adults, but no, just stay safe, man. That's the main message. Stay safe. All right. I'll see you guys on Monday. Appreciate you, and I'll see the Academy members in the Discord. So. Let's go, Jack, my boy. I appreciate it, man. Very kind words. See you later, guys.